Today we're going to talk about Punnett square and how we use it. But first, let's talk about a problem here. A homogeneous wolf with blue eyes mates with an heterogeneous wolf with brown eyes. What is the probability they will produce a wolf with blue eyes? Calculate the phenotypic ratio. And now let's make a monohybrid cross for this problem. But first, let's identify traits and alleles given by the problem. So small b means recessive, and the given is homozygous wolf, meaning homozygous 2 small b, 2 1 recessive alleles. Then big capital letter B for brown eyes, which is in the given. So ori ang pinakauna nga given is ibutang sa taas, dayon ang pangaduha nga given kay ibutang sa kilid. Then after that is ato i-add ang duha. Then dapat una jud ang dominant kaysa sa recessive, dahil sa capital B din kapares ring ana. So then let's move on sa genotypic ratio and the phenotypic ratio. But first, una sa ta sa genotypic ratio, which is mauna gitudlo. Genotypic ratio. Sorry sa bati ngagi. So basing sa Punnett square naman say 4 ka sides, dayon duha man to ka buok nga homo heterozygous og homozygous. So 2 out of 4. 2 out of 4 ang duha, meaning half sa duha. Then let's move on sa phenotypic ratio, which is magamit ra pod ang outcome sa genotypic ratio para makuha ang phenotypic ratio para ani. So kuan man to blue eyes and brown eyes, 1 and 1. Then ang outcome is 2 out of 4 sa B na capital, and 2 out of 4 pa lang nagawa sa B small. So 1:1 ang answer ni kay gisimplify ra.